Go. Hi.
Eliza!
Yes, my friend.
I'm not your friend. I'm your sister. Bwomp, bwomp, bwomp.
You just dropped me. What the heck? Ah! No! No stroller! Wait, what?
But don't you want to fly with me?
Yes, please.
Wishful. Wait, what? That's my upcoming channel. This is Wishful Plays. My game version of my actual channel. To me.
Ah!
Unfire me. Fire me. Stop. Get out of my camera.
Hey!
Here, get back in. Get back in. Oh! Oh!
What if we rewrite the stars? Say we're ready to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart.
Busby. I know you were my best friend, my best little sister, but I have to do this to you because you're my little sister.
No! Hello.
I'm trying to hold you.
Oh.
Oh my god! It's the
Okay, can you actually fly, bro? Yay. Okay, you are out of control.
Odors. We're out of the water, and we decided, yeah.
This is like Titanic.
We gonna find some Odies.
I'm rich. I'm poor.
I'm Jeff.
I'm Bob. Okay, you can't fly. Okay.
Flying.
Hello, Alex. Oh, okay. Bye, Alex. What if we rewrite the sky? Wait, no. What if we rewrite the store? What if we
reach for a flaming ball of
to
light?
buy an item, please talk to Thomas. Hi, Tom.
Thomas, the choo-choo train.
Bam, 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 bam.
What else should I get? There is no scooter.
Ow! No, I don't want to go to LLIMX's house party. Wait, why can't I? Wait a second. Are you still holding me?
No.
Wait. Yes. Okay, there we go. This is good. This is good. What if we rewrite
Look
the
at
sky?
this gap. There is an older baby in this.
What?
Older baby.
Ooter.
Let's go. This is our house.
Maybe. Like, it could be a possibility that they live in their
We
house.
should have a video idea, though. Oh, I look like a bow. Look, I look like a descendant angel from the sky.
What if we rewrite the clouds? So wait, it's turning to stars. Oh shoot.
Wow, jumping over the water. You look like the second Titanic.
What are you doing? I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. Online daters.
We gotta go invisible, guys. Come on, get out here. I look like an angel singing through the sky. Invisible me. I'm invisible, so nothing can keep.
Not my brother. What? All I see of you is a floating head.
Oh, right. Where's all my data? There's only one up there now. We're doing TikToks. Like, no, we're watching TikTok, not. So, Elsie. Alright. What?
There. Hi, I need to close my door. Oh shoot, my water's. So we're gonna play something else because I'm bored of Adopt and Raise. I don't know why. Oh shoot, I messed up my chain. Good job, Elsie. Fix that. Okay, perfect. So this game, you basically have to fight. So we're about to win because like ours is more stable. Yeah, ours is way more stable than theirs. You always aim for the bottom, no matter what. See, dumb. You always aim for the bottom places. So we're gonna go like this. Put a bomb there, let it explode. Okay, so we can't. No. Die! Haha, beat that, bro. I'm on yellow team right now. So we're about to go take these kindergartners to school.